happiness is about expressing our feelings and emotion. We have what can be called happiness. Someone or something makes us happy.
Just like going on a date with your boyfriend or girlfriend and bonding with your friends. The word happiness can contain many meanings, just like being strong or happy, even when struggling with problems in your life. For example, expressing your problem to your parents, because when you bring up your problem with your parents, it's like a heavy burden disappear from your chest. Utilitarianism proposes a view on happiness based on the greatest happiness principle, which is an act of service. An act of service is when you try to help or do a favor to someone so they become happy. For example, if you see a child crying, you will give her a lollipop to make her happy. In the word happiness, we have three distinct elements. The first element is contentment, which is satisfaction with one's life. For example, when someone asks why you don't buy a new phone, and you tell them that your old one is still functioning, so you didn't need to waste money. The second element is welfare, which refers to the satisfaction of a person wants and desires. For example, you have an iced tea in your house, but you currently craving milk tea, so you order it online. The final element is dignity, which is defined as the ability to control and define one's own destiny and the freedom to live a life of one's choosing. For example, your parents want you to become a doctor, but you choose to become a writer because this job makes you happy and comfortable.
Hello everyone! Ako po ang iyong lingkod na si Jen Chirins. Munting paalala. Para maging updated kayo sa susunod ko pang video, huwag kalimutan na mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification below para updated kayo sa susunod ko pang video. Goodbye!